Hey, this is Niranjan again, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to update the video section in the theme or in your agency website. Okay, now if you saw the last video, we basically went through the process of setting up this website quickly and by clicking a few buttons in the dashboard that we have. All right, so now in this video we are going to focus specifically on this section where we are going to update some videos and have them here. All right, now there are a couple of prerequisites here, I would say. One is you should have the video links handy, all right? Because look, the way it works is you have to fetch the videos from somewhere, and I do it typically from YouTube. You could do it from anywhere else, like if you don't use YouTube. So I'll get a YouTube link, which I've already got here. If you can see this, I have a YouTube link here, and I'm going to use that, all right? So, that is one thing. The second thing is you'll have to have a preview image, all right? Because a website, when you showcase a video, you want an attractive image to show up, which basically gets the user excited about it. Okay, I will take you through all these things step by step so that you understand every step of the way and are not confused about how certain things work. All right, so let's jump into the dashboard and then we'll start from there. All right, now. So as you know, this is how our dashboard looks, and once you've arrived here, now we got to work with the plugin section because most of the data that is being fetched to the e-commerce enabled part is directly associated with the WooCommerce plugin. And when we are talking about the WooCommerce plugin, what we have to do is we have to go here and work with them. All right. Now, in my case, it shows up here. Okay. After you have installed it, it will show up here in the dashboard. So if you're doing it for the first time, click on plugins, click on install plugins and wait for some time. This will show up here. All right. So under WooCommerce, you can see products. Okay. And this is where we are going to add our products. Okay. So click on this. Before getting onto the products, I would suggest that you create categories first, because every product you create without a category, it's going to go into a default category. But I highly recommend you do this, and there's a reason. I'll explain it to you why. You see, from my experience as a video agency owner and a creative professional, I've seen that some customers have a weakness for whiteboard videos. They absolutely love and adore it, all right? You show them a whiteboard video and they'll buy it off you. However, there are others who prefer not to have whiteboard videos, rather they would want to have, say, a 2D animated video or probably a spokesperson video. So that is why I recommend that you create various categories, various different categories under which you can put all your videos, all right? What videos you got with this particular project is just a part of it. There is nothing stopping you from expanding your business, from expanding your offering and giving an opportunity, an extra opportunity to your customers to pick another product from you. All right, the more products you have, there is a good chance that somebody will be attracted to it because you have got something different and they'll buy it off of you. Okay, so now that I've explained it to you why it is important to have these categories, let me show you on the front end where you'll be able to see these categories. Okay, so if you see here, this shows us all right? What this basically means is all the categories, irrespective of the categories, all the videos will show up when you click on all of those videos will show up here. Now, if you have separate categories, those categories will be available here. Like, let's say I have a section for whiteboard videos. Those whiteboard videos will be shown here. Let's say I want to put up something like, 2D animation videos. Those will be shown here. And likewise, that is one idea. The other way of doing it is, let's say you want to create a category for a niche. Let's say you are working on a real estate niche and you want more videos for that. Okay, you have, say, 5 or 6 different videos for that. You can create a real estate category. You can create a plumbers category, and likewise. So when a plumber visits your website, they can directly go by the category and then go and search the video that they like. Okay, but my personal preference is to create the categories based on the style of videos and not on the niches, because that allows you to create hundreds of niche videos and not make it difficult for the user to browse through this. Okay, think about it. If you have hundreds of categories, it will be very difficult for the user, inconvenience for the user to use it. All right, it will become very clumsy for them. Okay, so what I recommend, and I would suggest it to be used as a best practice, is always divide your videos into categories that make sense, that are self-explanatory. And one of the best ways in which I do it in my business is kind of make it on the basis of the types of videos. Okay, so these are whiteboard videos that you've got, so create a category for whiteboard videos. All right, tomorrow if you pick a pack on say 2D animated videos, you can do that as well. Day after tomorrow, if you get a pack which is like say spokesperson videos, you can do that as well. All right, so now that we are clear about it, let's do this. Okay, so you come to this products area and then you click on the categories, and here it says add a new category. All right, since we have whiteboard videos here, and as I told you, I'm a big fan of dividing the categories based on the type of videos. This is what I'm gonna do. A slug is basically a URL friendly version of the name. All right, so what I'll do is I write whiteboard and make W as small letters. Okay, now description, this section will contain all the whiteboard videos. Okay, whiteboard videos. That's done. Display type, I will just leave it as default. Upload, add image or thumbnail for this category. Well, I don't know. I mean, you can just leave it as is, because we are not talking about products here, categories. But yeah, if you have something that you want to upload here, you might as well do that. Okay, so let me add this new category. Once you click on the button, it will create a new category. All right, this is the default one that you saw, which was there, and this is the whiteboard category that you created. Okay, let me run you through the process again. All right, let me create a 2D animated category. Okay, 2D animation. All right, these are basically the colorful character based videos that you see. Okay, I do a lot of this in my business as well. So 2D animation is what I've written there, and the product categories, I'll leave it, and here I'll write a very simple description which says this category will contain all the 2D animation videos, all the 2D animation videos. Done. All right, similar to what I did last time, click on add new category, and boom, you have this 2D animation category ready to go. Okay, now this is what you need to do for whatever categories you want. Okay, let me just refresh it and show you how it looks now. Right, so we have added the categories, but we have not added any products to it, so the default is showing up. Okay, so let's go back here, and now what we're going to do is add products to this. Okay, now let me not confuse you and merge everything in this one video. Okay, so let's complete this video here, because you have learned how to create a category for your store. In the next video, I'll show you how to add products and how to edit them, and how to allocate various categories, prices, and all those kind of things. All right, thank you so much for checking this video out. I really hope you got value out of it and you understood how to go about creating categories for your agency website. Okay, thank you so much for checking this out. Looking forward to talk to you in the next video.